In this week's video, I'm going to be discussing whether or not I believe right now is a great time to start an Amazon FBA business. There's a lot happening in the world right now, and a lot of information is changing from day to day. There's a lot of things you need to consider, so be sure to stay tuned to the end, and I'll cover all the things you need to know when making this big decision. If this is our first time meeting, my name's Scott, and on this channel I discuss tips and strategies to help make your Amazon business a success. Press that subscribe button and be sure to push the notification bell so you're the first to know when I post a new video every Tuesday. Alright, let's dive in. Amazon has made some huge changes to their platform recently as a result of the global crisis, and it has some big impacts on sellers, new and old alike. For instance, they are restricting inbound shipments to their warehouses to only be essential items, which means if you try to make a new shipping plan for your product and it is not deemed an essential item according to Amazon's guidelines, they will not allow you to ship it into their warehouse at this time. Therefore, you cannot use the FBA model for that product right now. Similarly, if you're a buyer going to purchase one on Amazon, there are some items that they are not willing to ship right now. Amazon is prioritizing essential items to go out first, so you may notice when you go to buy something, even if it's at an Amazon FBA warehouse, it will not ship until later in the month or maybe even next month. They want to ensure that everyone can get access to the essential items they need right now when it's most imperative. So what does this mean for you and your potential business? Does that mean now is a bad time to start a business altogether? Well, not exactly, and I'm going to break down exactly why. When it comes to starting an Amazon business, there's a lot more to just shipping a product into the Amazon warehouse. There's several steps you need to take before then to even get your business going. And that's why I don't want you to dwell on the fact that Amazon may not be accepting every product at this time, because there's a lot more you can do right now to prepare for when they open the gates again. Due to the need of social distancing and everyone being encouraged to stay home as much as possible, people have a lot more free time on their hands than they used to. Therefore, I implore you, use this time to improve yourself in some regard, whether it be working out at home or learning a new skill, perhaps learning a new instrument, or starting a new business. With all this spare time, now is a great time to learn the ins and outs of the Amazon FBA business model. You may be wondering how you can acquire this information, and there's basically two ways. There's the free method and there's the paid method. The free method is using blogs and YouTube to piece the information together and try to figure it out on your own. The paid method is using a course. While a course may not be absolutely necessary, it does put all the information you need to know into one concise location. This makes it much easier to absorb, and you know you're not going to miss anything. When you're looking for an Amazon FBA course, they can usually run you up to When shopping for an Amazon FBA course, they can run you up to $1,000 US, and then you still need to pay for software on top of that. And that's why I want to share with you a limited time offer on a course and software package offered by Helium10 right now. Keep in mind, this deal is only on until April 30th, so I'm going to break it down for you now, but I suggest you jump on this as soon as possible if you're serious about taking the plunge into Amazon FBA. Now, the first thing is Helium10 has paired up with Kevin King, the creator of the Freedom Ticket. Freedom Ticket is a $1,000 Amazon FBA course that covers absolutely everything you need to know about this industry, from product research up to making your first sale. It covers product research, shipping to Amazon, creating your branding, PPC management, everything you could possibly need to know is in this bundle. Now, this course recommends using Helium10 as your software suite for all of your product research. Helium10 subscription plans start at $97 US a month, and you might think that's kind of pricey, but when you look into the tools they offer, it's actually a fantastic deal. Having said that, $1,100 is a lot of money to dump into something you're just learning about. And that's why I want to tell you about the bundle that Helium10 is offering right now. If you sign up for Helium10 right now, you can get access to the Freedom Ticket, the $1,000 course, absolutely free. That's right, a $1,000 Amazon FBA course covering everything from beginning to end for free. If you're on the fence about spending $97 to get the Freedom Ticket, well, I've got you covered there as well. Down in the description, there's a link to Helium10, and if you use my code SCOTT50, you will get your first month of Helium10 for $48.50. That will give you access to the entire Freedom Ticket for $50. And one extra thing you should know. Usually the Helium Ticket is an 8-week course released 1 week at a time, which means you need to wait 2 months to see all of the content. Well, until April 30th, Helium10 is releasing the entirety of the Freedom Ticket on day 1. Therefore, if you click on the link in the description, use the code SCOTT50, you will get access to Helium10's tools and the entirety of the Freedom Ticket on day 1 for just $48.50. I cannot stress how much of a great deal this is, and it will do wonders to learn about the industry and launch your Amazon business. Do not hesitate to jump on this opportunity. If you have absolutely any questions, feel free to message me on Instagram at ScottHBailie or leave a comment below and I'll be sure to answer. If you got any value out of this video, please give it a thumbs up as it really helps the video get noticed by the YouTube algorithm. And be sure to subscribe so you catch my new video next Tuesday. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.